Okay, so I found a new thing for customizing Counter-Strike. Since, as many of you know, the game has music kits now, and they're predetermined songs that Valve picked out, or well, Valve got the rights to, or something like that. Anyway, I found a way to customize the kits that you have or don't have and have them actually load in game. Because last night I was trying to do this and I thought, oh, maybe I could just go into sounds, music, place like music in a folder. And it'll be like, oh yeah, that's the right thing. I'll just play that. Maybe, screw on with this. No, that doesn't work. I thought, alright, it might work. But for the most part, I couldn't get it to work. So I had to go through a different method. And that method is what I'm going to be showing here. So what you're going to need is Counter-Strike, first of all. I mean, that's obvious because it's modifying Counter-Strike. And you're going to need another source game such as Garry's Mod. Garry's Mod is the one game I know will always work for this. Because in the Garry's Mod bin folder, there's this thing that says vpk.exe. And this is what you're going to be using to change the music. So what you're going to do is, in your CSGO folder, you're going to go to the Counter-Strike Global Offensive and then CSGO. And you're going to see all these pack VPK files. You're going to find pack01_dir. And you're going to drop that onto vpk.exe. Hold on, let me rename this real quick because I don't want to overwrite what I already did, because I don't want to run through this entire process again because it takes a bit on a mechanical hard drive. It might be a bit better on an SSD, but don't take my word for it, I don't own an SSD yet. So you're going to grab the dir file. You might want to make a backup of it just in case you screw it up, but for the most part, this should be good. So you just take it and you drag it onto vpk.exe, and it's going to do this. So what you're going to do is you're going to let this run all the way through the file. And like I said before, this takes a little bit. It takes like 10 to 20 minutes depending on how slow your hard drive is. So you're just going to wait this bit out. And since I've already done it, I'm going to close it. And up here, you're going to have a folder named after pack01dir, or yeah. Anyway, I'm just going to delete this one because this is the one that I don't want to fuck with. So pack01_dir, this is the entire game, like the source of the game for all the models and sounds and textures and stuff reversed. So what this is going to do is this is going to allow you to change models and sounds and stuff. We're mainly going to focus on sounds for this video. So for the music, you're going to go to sound, music, and here are all the music kits. If you don't own one and you just want to change the default ones, there's two default ones, Valve CSGO 01 and Valve CSGO 02. These are the ones that you're mainly going to want to edit if you don't want to buy a music kit to play with. So what you're going to do is, it's simple, but it takes a little bit of time. You're going to open the folder, and there's going to be all these. Oh my god, my phone's going to keep going off if I don't mute it. Alright, so you're going to have all these audio files, and what you're going to do is you're going to remember the name of one, like bombplanted.mp3, and you're going to take a song, any song, and just I'd say to cut it first so that you have a little build up for the bomb planted. You want to have a little build up, and then 10-second count, you want it to draw up and just be So I'm going to use FL Studio just to give an example of what you're doing. So this is very obvious. I don't know why I have to show this, but there's going to be someone that's going to be like, oh, how do I cut a song? Throw it in Audacity or something. I'm going to use something from Harvard Dropout. Maybe I'm not. Alright, I'll use something else. runaway. And for the bomb, it takes about 35 seconds to go off. So you're gonna make a little cut somewhere. And what I would do is I'll loop this so that it goes to 35 seconds or a bit over. So I'm just going to do that very quickly. But yeah, since the bomb build-up is 35 seconds before the 10-second count, you're going to make this go for 30 seconds, and then you're going to export it as bombplanted.mp3 and place it in the folder. And for bomb 10-second count, you get the gist. You take somewhere, you cut it, make it 10 seconds. You're going to do that for everything in the folder. So you're going to like, this is a folder that I haven't modified. You can just mouse over, see how long the length is of the clip. You know, match the clip lengths the best you can. You don't really need to do it because the game has a case for it where if the clip is longer than what the game is expecting, it'll fade it out and play the next clip. So you're going to do that for all of these. And here you can see I've already done it for these two. Except for this, I don't really do round 10-second count because normally the rounds never drain out. I normally die before it gets to the last 10 seconds, so it doesn't matter. And you're just going to do that for all of these. And one thing to remember is Valve CSGO 01 has 3 start round songs. And Valve CSGO 2 is only going to have 1 start round sound. So if you're placing everything in Valve CSGO 01 first, just place everything in as normal, copy the files exact, and then you can copy and paste them in, but make sure to delete the other 2 start round songs. And then once that's done, what you're going to do is you're going to open command prompt, and in here you're going to take the path for your Garry's Mod VPK, put a quotation, paste the path in, do /vpk.exe, end quote, -m, and then you can go to your folder, copy it. You know what? Here, I'm gonna find something that I don't want to rebuild that because that's gonna screw up my game because I don't want to wait for this entire thing to rebuild. But you're gonna go /m, another quote, paste the directory of the extracted VPK file in, and then press enter. And it's gonna say finding files and creating temporary control file. Control file lists 79 files. You're going to see the total size, the preload data, and data area. And that is going to build a CFG. That's going to rebuild this entire structure right here. And just let this run all the way through. And then once it's done, it's going to spit this little data, this little like thing of data out. And if you did that correctly, you should have the normal dir back. And you're going to have a ton of pack1 _ something VPK. And don't touch any of those. Just after it's done building, you can close the command prompt and then open Counter-Strike. And it should start playing your new music that you throw into the game. Oh, my computer's really slow. I have to sit and wait like 5 minutes for CSGO to open. This is the struggle I go through trying to make videos. Like, I deserve more ad revenue, YouTube. That sounds a bit cocky. I'll just stay quiet. And here you can see the music kit that I made is already playing. I have the entire kit set up, so I'll just go into bot training match. So I already have 2 of these kits done. I have my default set as a Lil Peep music kit, and my Kai Theory music kit is X. So I'll just let the music play so you can hear. the issues I ran into where this texture on Mirage is black. I don't know why it did that. I guess it got lost or something. It's no big deal because it's on a giant air sign. Oh my god. Alright, so now I really have to talk a lot because I'm using the X music kit, and X's record label really does not appreciate other people besides X using his music. So just gotta get and win, or get an MVP, either one. Something along those lines. I don't know where the bots are. I think that's the wrong command. There we go. Yeah, see, this is why I'm a cheating channel. I'm not good at this. So, yeah, that's how you customize your music kits. Hopefully this has helped to some. I could try to help as much as I can, but I don't know. So, yeah, that's it.